Load your family into the 2009 GMC Yukon. With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. Top features include remote keyless entry, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, reverse sensing system, and much more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Power-adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. State-of-the-art amenities such as steering wheel memory and pedal memory yield a more personal driving experience. Come down to our dealership where you can browse our entire inventory in person.